When it comes to VPNs, IPVanish is a name that often comes up. But before you decide to buy, there are a few things you should know. Let's dive into 12 key points that could help you make an informed decision, especially when comparing IPVanish with its competitors. The first thing you need to know is that IPVanish offers a strong network of over 2,000 servers in 75 plus locations. This is a solid number for a VPN provider, especially when compared to some of the bigger names in the industry like NordVPN and ExpressVPN, which also offer global coverage. However, in terms of raw server numbers, IPVanish doesn't have the biggest network out there. Next thing, IPVanish is known for its high speeds, but it's not always consistent. While some users report fast connections, others might experience slower speeds, especially when connected to more distant servers. If you prioritize speed above all else, services like ExpressVPN might give you a more stable experience. The third thing is its zero logging policy. IPVanish has a strict no logs policy, meaning they don't track your activity. While this is a huge plus, it's important to note that IPVanish has faced scrutiny in the past for allegedly handing over data to authorities. However, the company now maintains that it does not keep logs, and independent audits could help clarify this in the future. The fourth thing is pricing. IPVanish is often cheaper than premium VPN providers, with subscription plans starting at around $3.99 per month. While this is a great deal, it's worth noting that the cheaper price might come with fewer advanced features compared to competitors like CyberGhost or NordVPN. Next, let's talk about compatibility. IPVanish works across all major platforms: Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, but its app interface can feel a bit clunky, especially for beginners. More streamlined and user-friendly apps, like those from Surfshark or ExpressVPN, could be more appealing to those new to VPNs. The sixth thing to consider is its ability to unblock streaming services. IPVanish does support popular streaming platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime, but it struggles a bit when it comes to accessing some libraries or more regional content. Competitors like NordVPN have a stronger track record for unblocking content across various countries. The seventh thing is security. IPVanish uses AES-256 encryption, which is industry standard and highly secure. The addition of a kill switch ensures that your connection is completely secure, preventing your real IP from being exposed if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. Now, the eighth thing to keep in mind is customer support. IPVanish provides 24/7 live chat support, which is great. But customer feedback shows that responses can be slow at times, and some users find their answers unhelpful. If fast, effective support is a priority for you, services like NordVPN have received better feedback for customer service. The ninth thing to consider is simultaneous connections. IPVanish allows unlimited devices to be connected under one subscription, which is a major advantage compared to providers like ExpressVPN that limit you to 5 devices. This makes IPVanish a great choice for families or people with many devices. Moving on to the 10th thing, torrenting and P2P sharing are fully supported on IPVanish. It allows you to download and upload safely, which is great for users looking for privacy while torrenting. However, it's not as P2P optimized as other services, such as CyberGhost, which is known for its specialized servers for torrenting. The 11th thing to note is its kill switch feature. IPVanish includes an automatic kill switch, which helps you avoid accidental data leaks by disconnecting you from the internet if the VPN connection drops. However, unlike some competitors, it doesn't have the more advanced split tunneling feature available on services like ExpressVPN. And lastly, IPVanish offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is fairly standard in the VPN industry. However, unlike competitors that offer longer trial periods or even free versions, you'll need to commit to a full month of service before you can fully test it out. So, is IPVanish worth it? Overall, it's a solid VPN with decent speeds, strong security, and a good price point. But if you're looking for something with a wider server network, more consistent speeds, or better streaming support, there are other options out there. If you want a better solution with